Hello, Chloe.
Yes.
Hello, Shell.
Wait lang. Oh no! Ang sexy mo naman. Oh gosh. You want it, sweetie? Di ata naman. Gamay natin. Ayan. Oh, is so good. Thank you. Thank you, Kai. Hi, my king. Hi, Kali. No, I don't have trust for to anybody. It's okay. If you want it, you just send it first before I send my what you wanted for. Ang hirap pala kasi natin. No. And if you don't believe it, okay, just go away, find others. No, I'm not lying or I'm not a scammer. Just go away, find other. I cannot force you. Okay. If you don't want, I don't want to. That's all. AC. Stomp. Hindi ata. Gusto niya ang video. Gusto ko siya i-send video pero gusto niya i-send ko muna daw ang video tapos bigyan niya daw ako ng gift. Ano ako, bata? Send it first. Then I will send what you wanted for. Follow you. Hindi mo ako mautot lang, no? Da. At saka hindi naman ako scammer. Dami ba followers ko kung scammer ako? Sana marami nang sumisira sa akin. I will not send it in the What? Yes. He want my video, but he said that I will send it first to him, and then he gave me a 1,000 gift. But I will not give if he didn't give first. And he said I'm a lying. I don't care. If you don't want, I don't want to, okay? Tsaka nga ang tali ata. Diba, ano lang, para malagpot sa iyang buli. Di ata. Hi! Bakit naman ako mang-entertain sa taong hindi interesado sa akin? Diba? Thank you! Sliver, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Ralph. Kahit hindi nyo ako i-follow, pa-follow ko pa rin ako. Ganyan ako kabait now. Kahit medyo masakit ang aking ulo. Taga saan di ay ka? Saga, Pilipinas. Hindi ako nagbibinta ng bid. Ng bid. Okay. Dan, my dad, I believe that poem now. Daghan o wago ng comment. Pasag da era diha. Kahit ang gawin nila, they cannot touch me. They only see me. See. But wala namang nasi. Kasi wala naman, hindi naman ako magpapakita. Diba? Of course. Hindi naman Bisaya, no? Ilongga ako. Hi, Kachaw. I will follow you, Kachaw. Nice to meet you. Thank you guys sa pag-follow. Naka one-on-one. One-on-one! Na yan, TV. Okay. Balisan, silingan ng group. Nga, silingan di ate. What is this? Tinawan ko pa. If you're up for it, I'll give you $5 for after I finish it. But you have a really that master okay and pretend for 2 minutes I'm tired. Wow! Isahan pa ako ni Dodong. Di atay. Isahan niya ako. Patapusin ko daw siya mag-masturbate. Diyan ako ng 500 kaya mag-masturbate.